How blessed we all are having brains. Brains with the ability to think, ability to create. So, thinking is good because when we are thinking, we are planning for something, we are planning for tomorrow, we are getting into some solutions. But when it comes to overthinking, it leads us to nowhere but resulting into stress, depression, and anxiety. So, when do we usually overthink? When we have no plans to do, when we have no work to do. And when we have no work to do, there comes our brains are almost empty. And remember, we all know since the childhood, empty brain is a devil's house. So stop overthinking. So today I'm going to talk about how to control overthinking. So before I begin, show the real. Welcome back, guys. My name is Minati. I'm an international speaker, trainer, entrepreneur, life coach, and an artist. So today I'm going to talk about the 3 steps to control overthinking. So to begin with, the first one is switch the mood, or you can call it as pattern interruption. You know what is the main reason of overthinking? We generally only think about me. That is ourselves. We are so self-centered that we keep thinking constantly about ourselves. Why did this happen to me? Why didn't he talk to me like this? Why am he not there where I'm supposed to be? We constantly think about all these negative aspects which actually results us to stress and anxiety. So if you want to stop overthinking, you need to stop it right there. You need to switch your mood. You need to switch and change your pattern of thinking. You can realize whenever we go out for a holiday, if we go out for a hill station, for a sea beach, what we do? We keep praising the beauty of nature. We feel so happy and delighted at that moment that we only talk about the beauty. And there is a moment where we don't have the time or to overthink about ourselves. We never talk about ourselves. We only feel happy talking about the beauty of nature. So, to stop overthinking, you need to realize that if you are thinking too much, there's the moment where you need to stop right there and involve yourself doing something which you like, do something which you love, go out, talk with your friends, play with babies, play with your pets or your games, whatever which makes you feel good. And the second one is breathe. Yes, of course, breathing. As I have told you, breathing is everything and everything is breathing. So whenever you feel, oh, I'm just overthinking too much, stop it right there and start taking deep breaths. Because the moment you start taking deep breaths there, where your brain again gets stuck. And once your brain gets stuck, you will stop overthinking because your brain will constantly think about the breathing part. It will not think about the rest, negativity or whatever you were actually overthinking. So you need to breathe right away. I know it will be tough for you that okay, I'm overthinking, how can I breathe? You have to take the step and start breathing. Breathe for around 5 to 10 minutes. And it will make your mind calm. And the third point is focus on now. That means leave the now moment. Think, can you really predict tomorrow, the future? No, right? We cannot predict tomorrow. Means we cannot predict our future. Remember, Today is the tomorrow which we were worried about yesterday. So, what will happen if we are worried so much? We are not living the now moment. Be grateful that you are alive today. Be happy for the now moment. Live this moment so that you won't feel regret that, yeah, I just missed that moment. Because you won't get this now moment tomorrow. Every day is a special day. Every moment is a special moment. Do not forget to live this beautiful moment just thinking about the past which has already happened and the future which is yet to come. Thinking will never help you. That is, thinking too much will never ever help you. Instead, live the now moment. Smile, be happy, be grateful. And this is where you will feel, wow, everything is just so perfect. So these were the 3 steps you need to follow to just control overthinking. If this video has helped you somehow to control overthinking, so do not forget to comment on the comment section and hit the like button. And also, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, so do not forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the notification bell to get the future video references. Till the time, that's all for today. Namaste.